Here we have a little collection that's heading off to Kangaroo Flat in Victoria, and this looks like it's for a child. We've got child-sized bracelets here and a lovely little collection of crystals. I'm going to, I'll keep them separate. I'm going to just wrap that in a bit of bubble wrap to give it some protection, in the hope the bag won't burst. Oh, as soon as I finish these videos, that's when I'm going to find the missing device for the tape dispenser. Very annoying not having the rolling device. Okay, so this is opalite, not a real crystal. Don't let anyone tell you it's a real crystal. The original intention actually of the Chinese was to add the word ITE to the end of crystals, to indicate that it was man-made, which was a bit strange because fluorite is completely natural. But anyway, they went through a time of doing that. This then got renamed by, I don't know, wholesalers or retailers into moonstone because it looks like moonstone, or they just call it outright opal because it kind of shimmers like opal as well. No, it is a man-made crystal. But interestingly, myself and many people who come into the shop who are very energetically aware, I do find it's got a gorgeous feminine energy. So it's kind of the case of the one man-made crystal that I very happily keep selling. But I do disclose that it's not real. I think it's very bad if a shop does not disclose, and that's the shop being online or physically, does not disclose what are the man-made crystals for people to know whether they're buying the real thing or not. So that's amethyst we were just wrapping up there. So a type of quality that actually shows a bit of chevron effect. Oh, I'll just show you that. Just do it up a bit closer. So there we are, you can see some of the patterning in there. So yes, it's an amethyst, but could also be called chevron amethyst. Most amethyst comes from Brazil, but there's also a really great range of amethyst that comes out of various African countries. Okay, so now we'll find a box. If you're wondering how boxes arrive, they arrive like this, and then I flip them into their position. And voila, we have a box. Actually, I think that's going to be too small. Okay, we're back again. The box I had before was a bit too small, so we'll pop the energy cards in there. The thank you card. The thank you card is written on. I'm just putting it face down so that person's privacy is respected. Gives a bit of extra wrapping and packing there. And the parcel is ready to go in the satchel and off to its new home.